In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT not working, the most common reasons it happens, and the fastest ways to get everything working again. The first thing to do is check whether the problem is on OpenAI's side. OpenAI's troubleshooting guides say you should check the status page first for any known outages or service disruptions before changing anything on your device. If ChatGPT is down for everyone, the issue may simply be temporary. If the service looks normal, the next step is to refresh your setup. OpenAI recommends refreshing the page, starting a new chat, clearing your browser cache and cookies, and trying ChatGPT again in an incognito or private window. These steps help fix a lot of common web issues caused by old browser data or session problems. Another very common reason ChatGPT stops working is browser interference. OpenAI says privacy extensions, ad blockers, script blockers, VPNs, proxies, and secure DNS tools can all interfere with ChatGPT. So if the site will not load properly, keeps showing errors, or gets stuck, temporarily disable those tools and try again. OpenAI also says cookies and JavaScript should be allowed for ChatGPT and OpenAI sign-in pages. If you cannot log in, make sure you are using the same sign-in method you used when the account was created. OpenAI explains that if you signed up with Google, Apple, or another provider, you need to keep using that same method. Using the wrong login method can trigger errors that make it seem like ChatGPT is broken when it is really just a login mismatch. Your network can also be the problem. OpenAI's Help Center says managed Wi-Fi, office networks, school networks, or other filtered connections can interfere with ChatGPT. A quick fix is to switch networks, like moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or trying another internet connection to see if the issue goes away. If ChatGPT is loading but responding very slowly, OpenAI says that clearing cache and cookies, checking the status page, and trying another browser are all recommended steps. Slow performance can also happen during peak usage times, so sometimes the issue is not your device at all. If you are using the mobile app, OpenAI also recommends making sure the app is fully updated. Their authentication troubleshooting notes that some login problems on mobile can be fixed just by updating the iOS or Android app to the latest version. And if nothing works, OpenAI says you can contact support through the Help Center chat widget. It also helps to share details like the error message, what device you are using, and what troubleshooting steps you already tried. So to fix ChatGPT not working, check the OpenAI status page, refresh the page, clear cache and cookies. Try private mode. Disable browser extensions and VPNs. Make sure you are using the correct login method, switch networks if needed, and update the app if you are on mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.